In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your payment method was declined on iPhone, card getting rejected in the App Store. This error is usually easy to fix once you know what to check. Payment decline errors are super frustrating, especially when you know your card works fine everywhere else. But there are several common causes and straightforward fixes. First, check the obvious stuff. Make sure your card hasn't expired and that you have sufficient funds or credit available. I know it sounds basic, but this accounts for like 50% of declined payments. Next, verify your billing information. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases, and View Account. Check that your address, zip code, and card details exactly match what your bank has on file. Even small differences can cause declines. Here's something that trips people up: international transactions. If your bank flagged your Apple ID purchases as suspicious, they might be blocking App Store transactions. Call your bank and let them know these charges are legitimate. Try removing and re-adding your payment method. In the same account settings, tap Payment Information, remove your current card, then add it back fresh. This often resolves authentication issues with Apple's payment system. Sometimes the issue is with Apple's servers. Try making your purchase again in a few hours, or try a different payment method temporarily. iTunes gift cards work great as a backup payment option. Pro tip: keep an iTunes gift card as backup. You can buy them with cash at stores, and they never get declined. Plus, you can often find them on sale, so you might save money too. Thanks for watching.